moving to customer, this is totally new feature which I have added for you. It's just like a digital phone book of your customers. So you can see that you can add your customers below. You can see the list of customers. So this is which I already added. So you can see here you can just add the name, company, email, phone number, address, tags. Tags means like how you want to tag this customer. It's a retail customer, local, VIP, and you can add some specific notes. So you can see in the below list. So your name, the client's name, their company, everything will be mentioned. Also, how many orders total we have delivered to them. You can see everything. You can add it here also. Just edit whatever you want to edit. And also you can select this customer in the calculator. So everything will be showcased in the invoice.